Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of niche newsletters and how you can turn them into a reliable source of passive income. If you're looking to leverage your expertise or passion into a lucrative side hustle, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to activate a niche newsletter for earnings. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify your niche. Begin by identifying a niche that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. Research various topics to find gaps in the market or areas where your expertise can shine. Use tools like Google Trends or social media platforms to see what people are interested in right now. Step 2. Build your audience. Once you've pinpointed your niche, start building your audience. Use social media, forums, and online communities to connect with people who share your interests. Engage with them through relevant content, answer questions, and establish yourself as a go-to resource in your niche. Step 3. Choose a newsletter platform. Select a newsletter platform that fits your needs. Options like MailChimp, Substack, or ConvertKit offer user-friendly interfaces and tools to manage subscribers. Ensure the platform you choose allows for monetization options, as you will want to generate income from your newsletter. Step 4. Create valuable content. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your subscribers. Consider including tips, resources, tutorials, or exclusive insights that your audience can't find elsewhere. Consistency is key, so establish a regular schedule for your newsletters to build trust and maintain engagement. Step 5. Monetize your newsletter. Now that you have an audience and valuable content, it's time to think about monetization. There are several ways to generate income through your newsletter. 1. Subscription model. Charge a fee for premium content while maintaining a free version for general readers. 2. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands relevant to your niche to include sponsored messages or articles within your newsletter. 3. Affiliate marketing. Share products or services you trust and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. 4. Selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, courses, or merchandise tailored to your audience's needs. Step 6. Promote your newsletter. Promote your newsletter through various channels. Share snippets of your content on social media, create a landing page for signups, and consider guest blogging or appearing on podcasts to reach a wider audience. Engage with your subscribers and encourage them to share your newsletter with their networks. Step 7. Analyze and optimize. Track your results to see what types of content resonate most with your audience. Use analytics provided by your newsletter platform to review open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. Based on your findings, continuously refine your content and marketing strategies to maximize your income potential. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and tricks on building a successful newsletter business. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you the best of luck in your niche newsletter journey.